Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to restart Windows. So let's begin the video. You can use the Start menu to restart Windows. Click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, and here now click on the power icon, and here you will see the Restart option. Select Restart and then your PC will automatically close apps and reboot. You can also use keyboard shortcut to restart Windows. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Now from here click the power icon and choose Restart. So that's it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.